to another video. Today we have a Makita hack, Makita deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out. If you're into Makita platform, or if you want to get into Makita platform, if you like their hammer drills, their impact drivers, this is a cheap way to get into it, and you're going to get one of the better tools for cheap. Alright, so what you do to get to this deal, you have to obviously go to the homedepot.com. You have to put on the search section, you have to put Makita hammer drill combo. That's what I did. And then you're going to scroll down to the one that says $279. So this is the combo. Actually, yep, this is the combo. So this is the Makita 18 volt LXT lithium brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit, two tool with the two 4 amp-hour batteries in the bag. So right off the bat, you are getting two bigger batteries, not the biggest, but bigger batteries, 4 amp-hour batteries. Getting a bag, you're getting a charger, and you're getting an impact driver, and you're getting a hammer drill. Hammer drills are really expensive, so this is a great deal for you guys. So definitely check it out. So alright, so with this deal here, it cost $279, right? Well, if you scroll down, they got the buy one get one free. So you got a battery here. So this is the free battery they're giving out with the kit. So if you pay the $279, you're going to get this $149 battery. So it's 18 volt lithium capacity battery. It's a 5 amp-hour battery with the fuel gauge for $149. What you do is you add it to the cart. Just click here. I already have it in the cart, by the way, so I'm not going to add it again. So you go to the cart. All right, you go to the cart and you see that the 35%, which is a killer smoking deal, you see that the 35%, it's already applied on these. However, I personally would not get this battery because there are other better battery deals out there. But I would definitely get this deal. This is a smoking killer deal here. $181.87, 35% off of the $279. So this is killer smoking deal. So you're getting all this and this for $279. But if you return the battery, if that's what you want to do, and just keep this for $181, which is a killer deal, you're just gonna pay this. So anyways, that's it for today. Just want to show you guys what Makita has up to date. So if you're into Makita, definitely go ahead and get it. A lot of these deals just barely started yesterday and today, so be sure and get them if you need them, because they're gonna get sold out, or they're gonna get they're gonna raise up the price, or they're gonna do something. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.